Hey there, crypto-curious folks. If you're new to the world of Bitcoin and want a simple way to get started, you're in the right spot. Today, we're diving into how to buy Bitcoin on Cash App, a user-friendly app that's perfect for beginners. Whether you're looking to invest a little or just learn the ropes, this guide will have you set up in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, you need to download the Cash App. Head to your App Store, it's available on both iOS and Android, and install it for free. Once it's downloaded, open the app and create an account. You'll need to link it to your phone number or email, and don't forget to verify your identity. This step is crucial for security and to comply with regulations, so have your ID ready if prompted. Next, add some funds to your Cash App account. You can link a bank account, debit card, or even use a credit card. Just tap on the Banking tab, select Add Cash, and deposit the amount you want to use for buying Bitcoin. It's that straightforward. Now, for the fun part, buying Bitcoin. In the app, look for the Investing section, often represented by a little graph icon. Tap on it, and you'll see the Bitcoin option. Here, you can check the current price and decide how much you want to buy. Enter the amount, review the details, and hit Buy. Cash App makes this process super easy with real-time updates. One quick tip. Always double-check the current market price before purchasing, as Bitcoin's value can fluctuate wildly. Also, once your buy is complete, you can view your Bitcoin in the app's wallet. Remember, it's wise to transfer your Bitcoin to a secure wallet for long-term storage to protect against hacks. And there you have it. You're now a Bitcoin owner. Investing in crypto can be exciting, but it's important to do your research and only invest what you can afford to lose. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech and finance tips. Thanks for watching, and happy investing.